Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from BitGet to Metamask. For that, first of all, launch your BitGet mobile application. Then you just have to log in into your account. After that, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the Withdraw option. Now you will be able to see the list of all of cryptocurrencies that you can transfer from BitGet. Now since we want to find USDT, so you just have to search for USDT in the top, and once you are able to see USDT, you simply need to tap on it. Now you need to fill out these details in order to initiate the transfer. First, you just have to provide the address and the network. For that, you need to launch your Metamask application, and once you are here, you need to first select which network do you want to use in order to make this transfer happen. Now, if you want to save some money on gas fees, then I would recommend you to go with BNB Smart Chain. But in order to do it, you need to make sure that you have enough BNB in your Metamask account first. Now, once you have selected it, you just have to first tap on the import token option, and now you just have to search for USDT. Now, once you are able to find USDT, you just have to tap on it, then press next. Now tap on import. So what this will do is it will import USDT on BNB network. Now tap on USDT, then scroll down and tap on receive. Now as soon as you tap on receive, you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that from here, then come back to BitGet, paste the address in this section. Then in the network, you need to select the same network that you have selected in Metamask. So since I have selected BNB Smart Chain in my Metamask account, in the network in Bybit, you will have to select the same network. Now tap on the amount in order to enter the amount over here. Then tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to initiate and confirm your transaction, and then you will be able to receive your USDT into your Metamask account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.